Hello, I'm Ben from Dart & Partners. Today I'm in the popular and picturesque Teign Estuary village of Combeinteignhead, and this is Frog Cottage. Frog Cottage is a beautiful detached Grade 2 listed property with picture book external aesthetics and is well positioned, being close to the heart of the village, and has good access for nearby country walks and the estuary foreshore. To the side of the property, there is a useful paved amenity space. The gardens at the rear of Frog Cottage are landscaped and beautifully set out on 2 levels and enjoy a southwesterly orientation and a good degree of sunshine, as well as country views. This paved terrace is ideal for outdoor entertaining. The period-style entrance door opens to a beautiful open entrance hall with period plank and muntin screens. The kitchen dining room is a lovely space, providing a good hub for the house with ceramic floor tiles, ample space for a dining table and chairs, there is a beautiful recess with powder blue oil-fired arc, and the kitchen is fitted with a comprehensive range of units with integrated appliances and a front-facing leaded light window enjoys good country views. A lobby cum garden room at the rear of the property has slate floor tiles, storage cupboards, with this space opening to the outside, at the side and the rear. Additionally, there is a modern ground floor bathroom with roll-top bath. The sitting room is a wonderful space with an abundance of character and charm. There are feature latch and panel doors and an Inglenook-style stone fireplace with a recently replaced log-burning stove and an original bread oven. 2 feature leaded light windows, one with a window seat, overlook the front aspect and have country views. From the sitting room, a turning staircase is approached, rising to the upper floor. The first floor landing has latch and panel doors to the principal first floor rooms. There is feature timber flooring through most of the first floor level, and here is the principal bedroom, a beautiful dual aspect space having 2 leaded light windows with window seats, exposed beams, and a large recessed wardrobe. The second bedroom is equally appealing, also being dual aspect with leaded light windows. And the third bedroom is another lovely space. And here is the modern first floor shower room, which overlooks the terrace at the rear. Thank you for joining me at Frog Cottage. For more information, please call 01626 772507 or email ben@dartonpartners.com. Thank you.